I missed out on a token which 50x in only 2 months. But I'm on the quest to find the next one, and I want to share that with you in this video. If that sounds interesting to you, please leave a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. Before I continue, I must let you know I am not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're new to my channel, I prefer to talk about medium to high risk crypto. Reason being is that I think it's good for those people who might not have a lot of money to make those absolute insane gains. And that's what I want to talk about in this one. So this is the token I want to talk about. It's called Aerodrome Finance. Ticker is AERO, Aero. Is sitting on just on a 708 million market cap, 24-hour trading volume, 23.4 million, circulating supply 410,404,033 precisely, according to CoinGecko. This is on the base chain. 30 days is performed, it's gone to 97% up, 14 days 26% up, 15 days, 7 days has gone 15% down, and gone back up 2% in 24 hours. Recently, what has happened to Aerodrome Finance, you might ask? Aero surged by 106, oh, that was 2 months ago, so that's not relevant. Okay, so I said 50x, and I worked that out from the price of the all-time high that I can see on here of $2.02, and I was looking at, like, yeah, here 12th of December, it was at 4p. Okay, so maybe not 2 months, but yeah, I was mistaken. So if you're looking at 4 or 5 months, still 50x or your money is still an absolute incredible gain there. It's available on various markets. So Coinbase, Gate.io, Aerodrome Base, if you want to use their decentralized exchange. Yeah, so we got CoinX, crypto.com. So I buy Aero through crypto.com. So I am interested in hoping that the price rises. But I want to find what could be the next Aero, what could perform well. So look at this, all-time low. Is that correct? Or imagine, was that 92? Oh well, I don't really want I don't really want to think about the gains I could have made, even if I put $100 in or something at that time. But the point being in this video is to look at the various categories in CoinGecko, which are listed. So the categories for Aerodrome is decentralized exchange, decentralized finance, automated market maker. So I've got a couple of examples here of those tokens in those categories, and one of them is called Ferro, which it hasn't been doing so well lately overall. Like even the 7 days is gone down 50%. So I have lost a little bit of money, not too much. I haven't put too much in, but this is very high risk. At the moment, it's just over $15 million market cap, 24-hour trading volume of $28,700. Circulating supply, what's that? What's that? Billion? 178,129,560. Yeah, it hasn't been doing too well, but I think if you're a long-term investor, this could be one that could be near the bottom and could very, very much go up. So up here, what was this? Going up to 10 cents. So this could be like a 10x. Potentially, it could even go more. As I said, like the ranking, if this goes up in the ranking, who knows where it go? Maybe it could go parabolic, no guarantee, but this is the risk that you want to take. So I'll quickly go on to the website. So it's got swap pool staking rewards. So it says, don't lose on slippage, trade on Vero, optimize to bring you the very best rates to trade your stablecoins and pegged assets. Support us as liquidity providers, or stake our token for solid yield. So you could do some staking on that. On them. And the next one within the categories that I had a look at was even more high risk, ranked at 3,773. Snowball, the ticker is Snob. I'm not a snob. But yeah, the market cap is 92,462. 24-hour trading volume of only 278. This is on the Avalanche chain. Um, so this is extremely high risk. So maybe let me know your thoughts in the comment section below if I could be looking at, if I should really be looking at something safer. Let me know your opinions. So how to buy this is that you would need to buy some Avalanche, and then you would send it to something like your MetaMask, and then you could go on to like Trader Joe, and then you can swap your Avalanche, like you can connect your MetaMask on Trader Joe, and then that will enable you to swap your Avalanche tokens for Snowball tokens. And then to sell it, you would just do it the other way around. Again, this is very, very extremely high risk. This is like radioactive biohazard type of like really degenerative. But again, this could be something that, as you can see here, this has gone over $3, so potentially over like 200 to 300 times the money. You put in $100, put in 500 or 1,000, whatever you think is affordable to you. I'm not saying you have to do it today, but maybe if you want to put in some each week or each month, because I don't think this will go parabolic by the time the video comes out or within the next week. But who knows? But I just think this is one to watch out for. Yeah, so I already showed the markets here. This is a quick sneak peek of the website. So you got Snowball Venture Studio. Join us in building the future of DeFi. And then on here you got all these images where it gives you more information, so you can earn a competitive APR on your AVAX, which is coming soon. Got his teddy bear here. Decentralized borrowing protocol on Avalanche, so you can borrow up to 11x on your AVAX. Interest free, which is absolutely amazing. Nobody likes to pay interest, do they really? Snowball, the center for earning strategies on Avalanche. Earn up to 4-digit APYs on your assets. Axial, the decentralized stable swap on Avalanche, so you have a stable swap part here. Earn competitive APRs on your pegged assets. What's this? A little train here. Earn to learn and take your DeFi strategies to the next level. Start earning and create custom strategies. There's more to come on the webpage if you just scroll down on there. But yeah, I think this is really, really interesting. I do like the graphics here. It's got a roadmap since March 2021, so it seems that they've been around for a while. This probably hasn't been really discovered yet. Right down on the lower pages of CoinGecko, it's just like when you go onto Google, who reads the second page of Google? But the gems could be hidden on like the latter pages of CoinGecko, and I think this could be really, really one to watch. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video.